that stretching long hours for the D-Day, for the presentation, for the TV show, for this is the extremely crucial part. But the important part is if you are not slept well, there is no freshness in your body, there is no freshness in your mind, and that impacts your output. Then what's the point in sleeping less and stretching yourself throughout the night? Adequate sleep is a subjective affair. Yes, I understand that. So I personally love to have a sleep of 6.5 to 7 hours. You might have it 9 hours. Some people are blessed. They have adequate sleep within 4 hours itself. But whatever it is, we have to change, we have to manage our lifestyle accordingly so that the sleep is not compromised. When we have good sleep at night, naturally the freshness that oozes out from our body and our mind works wonders when it comes to presentability. Person who is yawning in and around you is not be considered as a very positive thing to be. Imagine 3 people keep yawning in and around you. It's contagious, right? So adequate sleep plays a very vital role. Adequate sleep talks about rest to the body and rest to the mind as well.